So this is really hard for me to say. I have been keeping the secret in all year. I've had a lot of shame over it, and I'm finally ready to come clean. What I want to share with all my following is that I was diagnosed with prediabetes this year again. What really threw me off is that I went through this company, and I won't say the name, but they market that they advocate for women and that they're girls. And what they automatically did is that one, they treated me like another number. It was a very impersonal conversation. Additionally, they automatically prescribed me hormone therapy, female testosterone, and progesterone without really talking into much depth of my lifestyle and what I've been through before. When I did ask how to do things naturally, the only advice she gave me was to eat Brazil nuts for my prolactin. So rather than spend $500 on hormone therapy that isn't guaranteed to help me and will most likely set me back, mess up my hormones even more, and then put me on more medication for the rest of my life to reverse what they did, because that's how the system works, I decided to do what I do best, and that is the drumroll, Bilotti method. The Bilotti method is a holistic approach to not only reversing your prediabetes, rebalancing your hormones, managing your stress and your sleep, building confidence, but also sculpting and defining your body the way you need to, because it's not black and white, it's not cookie cutter, and I don't treat my clients like another number or like something else, like just trying to take your money and have you keep buying my program. I help my clients get results and sustainable results, and I also give them tools to help them last a lifetime. This was a fasted blood work that I did. As you can see, my glucose and insulin levels are in the red. They're very, very high. Additionally, my A1C is at 5.7. In order to be pre-diabetic, you need to be at 5.7 or higher. Anything 5.6 and under, you are in the clear. Not only was I pre-diabetic and my insulin levels were through the roof, but my thyroid levels were also unbalanced as well. As you can see, my T3 and T4 were low, which means I had a slow thyroid, which means I wasn't metabolizing as quickly as I was before. So hence why this past year I've been extra bloated, I've been groggy, I've been moody, my weight fluctuates from one week to the next. Like, there's been a roller coaster going on. So not only was it my insulin, but it was also my hormones as well. Here I want to show you my cortisol levels were slightly elevated, but not too much. And then my prolactin, and prolactin, people don't talk a lot about prolactin. Everyone's always about cortisol. But prolactin is when you, as a woman, you have breast milk, and I'm not pregnant. These are saline. And my prolactin was through the roof. It was at 90. And at that point, that's when they think you have a tumor in your pituitary gland. So here are my test results from June. So in April, March, I tested pre-diabetic, thyroid problems, prolactin, cortisol, everything was unbalanced. I was sluggish, I was bloated, I was groggy. And now, hitting June, I am now, as you can see, at 5.6 A1C. So I'm now not pre-diabetic. It's still not as good as I want to be. I'm aiming for 5.5 or lower. As you see here, all of my hormones came back. There are no flags at all. My thyroid is balanced, as you can see up here. It went down about 2 points from before, and my prolactin went from 90 to 7. So if you've gotten your blood work done, you're freaking out because your hormones are not balanced, you're pre-diabetic, or there's just something off and the doctors are just simply throwing medication at your face, feel free to give me a follow and click link in bio so you can get a one-on-one call with me. That way I can help you naturally and holistically get you into the best shape you want to be, the mindset, and to holistically and naturally take care of your body. That way you're not on medication for the rest of your life. Not only am I living proof that you can reverse your prediabetes naturally, but I am also living proof that you can rebalance your hormones without any big pharma. I didn't use Ozempic, I didn't use metformin, I didn't use testosterone, progesterone, HRT, nothing. I decided to do my method, something that I've been working on for years, which is the mind-body connection, breath work, my workouts, and mindset coaching. If you're done being tired and you're sick of feeling heavy and you don't want to feel bloated anymore and you want to feel good in the body that you're in and to love the woman that you see in the mirror and to feel good not only in your body but also in your mindset and throughout every single inch of your skin, give me a follow, click link in bio, and let's set up a call. That way we can get you on the right track. If you want the full story on how I reversed my prediabetes and rebalance my hormones naturally in 4 months, feel free to follow me on YouTube and subscribe to Baylattes.com to get complete access.